fuck. Don't put it on Facebook. Oh, fuck, no, YouTube to go. Not Facebook. YouTube? No, go away. I'm a fucking comedian. If I was a comedian, I'd be rich. Because I'm fucking good at the job. Even the poles wet. Hey, get on my pole, it's huge. Otherwise, step up, step in, next win. Come on, don't be shy. It's got to try. Come on, every duck's a winner today. Pick a duck, every duck's a winner. Fuck, mate. Holy shit. Halfway through my cigarette, halfway to go. There you go. Did you see it? Hey, look over there, what wall? Right pole. There's your fucking pole for tonight. Is it big enough or what? Can't find no mountain high enough. Bad. Don't smile, will you, mate? I'm fucking laughing. I'm gonna smile to eat. Sorry, mate. You can't sleep. It's not my fucking smoking, okay? Give me some. Here, baby. Smoke it. Yeah. Don't worry, we know that the cop stop, man. Get pulled over. Oh, wait, baby, get over here. You eat drug test for you, baby. Hang on a second, I'll go in reverse for you. Come on, like, seriously. That is like... bomb. Like, fuck, man, who does that shit? Backwards, down the fucking highway. Turkey's in fucking reverse. Lucky I didn't have a manual because I had fucking kangaroo juice. There you go. He just blew off his foot there. Sorry, mate. Don't crash tonight, please. Hey, watch out up there. There's a wombat. No shit I used to wear when I was a kid. There's a wombat on it. It said, not so, but fat ass wombat. No shit, you didn't know that either. It was at the market. The marketplace in Barney. Yeah. Maybe it could have been something else. Well, on the other side of Australia, maybe it's WA or something. Cow. Get off the jokes. Fucking cummy. Fuck off, he's good recording. I forgot about that. What's that camera on? What? Got to turn the flash on.
Video?
Just remember, we'll go hard before we become famous because of this. No, I'm famous! I'm fucking... I don't know what I am, but I'm fucking famous.
Smoke, I would have got that again.
Scots. I know people that drive for Scots. Imagine if Jarvo's over there. Fucking Jarvo. There's your... No, I forgot his name. You know that fucking, I don't know. Bucky. Hey, look at that. He's lit up like a Christmas tree, that cunt. Don't look at the light. Look at it. You'll follow it. Hey, no, look at the light. Hey, look, I like that holder. That is a nice boy. Fuck, man, that's too big a rock to put in your pipe. Fucking hope you can. What pipes? Pipe. I like smoking pipe paddles in it. Whoa! Fucking hell, just went on. Didn't even know it. Guess what? I didn't even send you a postcard. Because I didn't even trip. I tripped. Fucking hope on the trip. I don't know how I'm talking about it.